quantity survey course. In this lecture, we will discuss how to calculate the asphalt required for road construction in quantity survey course 2020. Here, this is the example. We will solve it for better understanding to calculation of the asphalt. Suppose we have to construct a road top surface layer with asphalt. The length of the road is 6000 meter. The length of the road is 6000 meter and the width of the road is 10 meter without shoulders. The thickness of the asphalt is going to be 15 centimeter. The thickness of the asphalt is going to be 15 centimeter, mean 0.15 meter. Calculate the quantity of asphalt required. Let me solve the example. Given data, we have length of the road 6 kilometer, 6000 meter. Width of the road we have 10 meter and the thickness of asphalt is 15 centimeter, 0.15 meters. Let's go to solution. So let's move to the solution. First we will calculate the volume of road section. As we know that we have length of the road 6000 meter, multiply it with the width of the road we have 10 meter, then thickness of the asphalt required on the road is 0.15 meter on the top surface. So let me calculate this on the calculator now. 6000 multiply it with the 10, then multiply it with the 0.15. Total we require 9000 meter. 9000 meter volume of the road section. On the top surface we have to do asphalt. This is the volume required to do asphalt on the top surface of the road. As we know that density of asphalt is taken as 2330 kg per meter cube. So quantity of asphalt will be calculated by this formula. We will multiply the volume of road section into the density of asphalt. Volume of road section is 9000, multiply it with the density we have 2330 kg per meter cube. Let me calculate this on the calculator. 9000 volume of road section multiply with the density of the asphalt 2330. Total we required kg 20. Asphalt in kg 20 unit 10 100,000 10 lakh 10 lakh crore. Oh, that's 20 970. This is big value. 970 and 30. Yeah. So this is the value K asphalt required in kg to for the road top surface of having the volume 9000. So let me calculate it in the ton. To calculate it in the ton, just divide this value by 1000 because in 1 ton we have 1000 kg. Let me calculate it on the calculator now. Yes, just divide it by 1000 to convert it into ton. 20,970 tons of asphalt is required for the road having 6 meter length, width of the road 10 meter and thickness of asphalt is 0.15 meter on the top surface of the road. So thanks for watching this lecture. Please stay tuned for next.